Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Easy Art, where you can learn to draw anything at all and we make it easy. So today we're going to draw Bing from Storybots. And if you guys don't know who that is, he's the yellow guy on the show Storybots. So we're going to draw him today, the fun little robot character. And then we're going to continue drawing all of the Storybots. So you guys make sure to tune in and check out all the videos and draw all the Storybots together, okay? Sounds good. Alright, so first we're going to make sure we're prepared to draw. That means that we have everything ready, all of our art supplies ready. So, and here I am. We're going to make sure we have our paper, or something to draw on. We're going to make sure we have 2 pencils. 1, 2. We're going to make sure we have an eraser. If you have an eraser on your pencil, that's okay too. No problem. And a marker, a black marker. If you have any black marker, that's fine. A black crayon is also okay. A pen, whatever works is fine. So what we're going to have, we're going to grab our pencil, and we're going to get started and draw Bing, the yellow character from Storybots. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw 2 big circles. 2 big circles for his eyes. Okay, so first we're going to just look in the middle of the page. We're going to draw 2 big circles here for his eyes. Okay. There we go. There's 1. In the next circle, we're going to make sure it touches right here. So both his eyes just touch. So we'll start here, go around and make it about the same size, best we can. Okay, so we have 2 circles. And then we're going to draw 2 circles on the inside of his eyes for his eyeballs, for his little black parts of his eye. Okay? I'm going to do 1. We can shade it in if we want. Color it in. 2. Shade it in if you want. There we go. And next, we're going to do his eyebrows, which are going to be 2 long, kind of skinny rectangles above his eyes. Those are going to be his eyebrows. They're going to be rectangles. Okay, they have 4 sides. They're long and skinny. They're not a square. Here we go. I'm going to have them angled this way. 1. And we're going to do another one this side, angled this way, another rectangle. There we go. Okay, next we're going to fill in Bing's body. So he's kind of has a small cylinder body, kind of like a silo, if we know what that is, at the farm. So we're going to put a small curved line between his eyes here for the top of his head. We're going to just keep coming down behind him and go straight, curved line, and then straight down. Just a little bit. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So we're going to have this kind of upside down U shape. Coming down and then straight down about the same height. So it's an upside down U. And if you want, draw through his eyes, that's okay. And then you can use your eraser to erase it out. Not a problem. Okay, and at the bottom we're going to draw a straight line all the way across. Okay, straight line all the way across. Here we go. And now we'll do his smile. And this yellow, being the yellow Storybot, he's pretty silly looking. So he has a big smile starting up here. We're going to do under a curved line, kind of like a big open U for his smile. So we're going to start here and go curved line down and back up. And we'll do the same thing again right next to it. We'll just trace it. Same thing. Okay, so another line just below it, underneath, so his mouth looks like it's open. There we go. And then Bing has a small rectangle at the bottom of his body, at his belly. So we're going to do another rectangle down here. And remember guys, if you need to stop and pause the video so you can draw nice and slow and then play it again so that we're back together, you can always do that. Now let's draw his feet and his arms. So we'll do his feet first. We're going to draw a long, very skinny rectangle for his leg. Down, skinny rectangle for his legs. 1, 2 legs, 2 skinny rectangles. And then we're going to draw 2 circles for his feet. 1, 2 circles for his feet. Perfect. Now his arms, we're going to do the same thing as his feet. Kind of long skinny rectangles, but they're just going to curve a little bit because his arms are hanging down. And then we're going to put a V at the bottom, kind of an A without the cross. I'll show you what I mean. So we'll do a curved line down like that and do the same thing again. Curved line down like that and then cross it off. We'll do the same thing on this side. A curved line down, curved line down. Here we go. Curved line down, curved line down. And he's going to have 2 V's, the upside down V's for his hands, or an A without the cross in it, no cross. So I'll show you what I mean. So we're going to do it down, and then another. It's like an A or a V. So if we flip them upside down, it looks like a V. Same thing on this side. Diagonal line out, little small line in, and then a upside down V or an A. And we just do the same thing on the other side. Perfect. Now take your time on this part. That might be hard, so take your time and get it right. And if you need to erase, that's okay. Use your eraser. And try not to, don't push so hard. You know what I mean, guys? You can just do it nice and draw and easy. Okay, so that's our Storybot Bing, the yellow guy. We're going to do the outline, and then I'll color him in with some colors, and then I'll be back after that, but I'll speed through it there, okay guys? So you do the same thing, you guys go and color it in, do what you need to do, and then we'll be right back, okay? Perfect. All right, well, there you have it, guys. That's Bing from the Storybots, the yellow robot. Okay, and I hope you guys had a good time, and I hope your robot came out just as good, if not better, than mine. And if you want, you can always, color yours just like mine. And if you want to color it any different, you can always do that too, okay? And then again, be sure to tune in to the next episode. We'll do another Storybot. We're going to do the red guy. And then we'll do the rest of them after that. So we'll do all the Storybots, all right? And again, remember to subscribe if you want to learn how to draw more and make it really easy. So again, take it easy.